Ever had to brake suddenly while driving? Dependable brakes are essential to keeping you safe. Here are some tips for knowing the state of your brakes. Signs that your brakes are going bad include grinding or high-pitched noises, a longer stopping time, your car pulling to one side, or soft brake pedals. Additionally, if your brake pads have visible wear, or if your car is leaking a clear, yellow fluid, this could be a sign you need your brakes replaced. If you notice any of these symptoms, address the issue as soon as possible to prevent any accidents on the road. To maintain your car brakes, avoid aggressive driving and braking unnecessarily. Help keep yourself and others safe on the road. Don't wait until there's an issue. Schedule regular inspections with a certified mechanic, or visit a AAA-owned car care center or AAA-approved auto repair facility. Visit our website to learn more.